Good morning, guys. It's Antonio, Howl and Hammer. Once again, we got the Porsche out of the garage. Very important. We got it out. We didn't hit the garage doors or anything like that. And, we have a nice space right here. So this is going to get a little makeover. We're going to put some shelves in that he wants, and then we're going to do epoxy flooring. We're going to do a nice gray epoxy flooring with a paint finish and a clear gloss finish. It's a brand new floor. But that'll be another segment that I want to do for you to make sure that it's properly prepped. So let's get rocking, guys. Okay, let's get into this. Got my cappuccino. Guys, check it out. Here it is, cappuccino. My cordless DeWalt. I love this saw. Comes with a 60-volt flex battery, right? Awesome. And look at this battery charger. DeWalt 6 battery charger. Charges all my different batteries, 20 volts, 60 volts. Awesome, awesome charger. Let me tell you, you guys will always have power. My drill as usual, my 20 volt. First, establish your height lines on the 3 shelves. We're putting 3 shelves in. So I'm gonna put the first one right over top of this receptacle. This way, he has some room down here for some larger stuff. Then we're going to do another one about 16, 20 inches, and then one more above that. And you could go with shelves all the way to the ceiling. I mean, it's a little high, but for stuff that you don't use all the time, maybe use once a year, you can put way up there. You want to tie a screw into every stud. Okay, you only need 1 screw into each stud. I use epoxy coated 3-inch screws, and I'm going to show you that, guys. There's a 3. That's a 6. You don't need a 6. That'll come out the backyard. But these are all you need. These epoxy screws are super strong. You could put 1 screw into each stud and you'll be able to park a car on these shelves. So, all right, Home Depot, epoxy screws. Things are great. Exterior use. Okay, let's get this fastened in place. Two more to go. What do you think? Okay, can anybody guess my weight? Anybody guess? 185 pounds. Okay? I haven't even put a brace on this, nor do I think I will even put a brace on it. Shelves to go, guys. That's how it's done. Pretty simple, right? All right. I think it's time for another coffee break. One of the perks working for some of my clients is I get to drive their sports cars, like their 911 Porsche, to get coffee. One of the benefits of having your own company. Yeah. Let's see what this baby can do. Woo-hoo-hoo! I ran out of a piece of trim. I guess I under-ordered that piece. But it kind of gives it a finished look. You got 3 shelves. He doesn't have a lot of stuff in the garage, so it's more than plenty for him. But like I said, we're gonna do another segment. I'm doing a cement floor, all epoxy with the paint coated flakes. Subscribe. Thank you very much, guys. So, thumbs up. We'll see you on the next segment. Hopefully I'll look a little better on camera.